One of your major rivers, yellow-orange, with all that, oxidized iron and zinc, that is the worst thing you can imagine.
The goal of our project kind of has three different parts. The first is to educate users about the timeline and the events of the Animas river spill. The second is to demonstrate the consequences that the spill had on the surrounding areas and the wildlife population. Third is to explain the possible prolonged negative effects that could exist after the spill is cleaned up. We hope to challenge the users to ask this question, which is what can be changed to help protect rivers such as this one, and how can we work to help keep our own state rivers cleaner and healthier for generations to come. Hi, I'm Steven and I'm part of the Animas River installation group. I've been assisting Vanessa in the collection of different kinds of media to put together the timeline of events and helping the team develop our final idea and our final projection rig, which will be used for the showcase. We had two ideas. One was a kind of wall/tabletop projection, and then the second was involving a 3D projection with utilizing a scrim screen. What we've settled on, this double projector setup, kind of a desktop physical landscape combined with projection.
My name is Jarrett Curley and I'm in charge of fabrication on the Animas River installation project. For the process of creating a physical tabletop map, I find images using Google or Google Earth Pro. I then take those images into Corel Draw, cut lines and etch lines to later take it into the laser cutter. For our first two prototypes, I laser cut our Animas River onto MDF board, and then as a team we projected our media onto it. For the rest of the semester, me and Steven are going to construct a table with specific characteristics that relate to our last prototype.
My name is Vanessa and I'm in charge of the Max MSP portion of the Animas River installation project. With the patch, I have it triggered to where it recognizes each of these fiducials. For our test stages, each of these fiducial markers are connected to a separate video.
As we advance in our project, each of the markers will contain more media files as well as documents pertaining to the incident. In collaboration with Steven, we've been able to create our timeline.
Our successes so far have been creating two small-scale prototypes. What materials would work for our project? Most of our failures have been crossing out and eliminating bad ideas as well as bad techniques and methods. For now, we will be focusing upon using two projectors. One will be projecting upon the scrim screen and the other will be projecting upon the model.